Okay, I got ready so I could take you guys to store vlogging and browse around the stores. I'm not feeling it. I'm sorry. We're gonna have a cozy day in. I just prefer staying home. I'm a homebody and I don't know what it is that sometimes I procrastinate, but I really rather stay home. So we're gonna have a nice and festive day today here in my household. I think we're gonna do some decorating. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jasmine. I love to do store vlogs, decorating, and lifestyle videos. Now, I got ready because I thought I was gonna go browse around the stores, but I just decided right now, when I turned on my camera that we're gonna stay in. And I think I had this plan that I was gonna store vlog today and then tomorrow I was gonna do a cozy day in, but I think today's the day. Today's the day. I don't know what it is, but I just want to stay home. You know, I want to redecorate actually. So tomorrow's video was gonna be me redecorating. I'm not feeling the candy canes right now. I don't know. I think they're cute up there. I'm not gonna lie, they're cute, but I'm not feeling it. And I got this new lamp and I want to install it. So we're gonna do that together. But I feel like I just want to be in the Christmas vibes. And I'm entering my cozy Christmas era. I think a cozy simmer pot is gonna bring this traditional Christmas full of coziness. So I'm gonna go out in the backyard, get some rosemary, cut up some fruit, you know, the citrus, the apples. I don't have star anise. And I was gonna go to the store to get that, but we could skip that. So just get ready for a nice cozy day in. Oh my goodness, let's go. These dogs are crazy. Got this amount of rosemary. I think that should be fine. I'm loving the snowflake. I think it's so cute. I'm using it as a coaster. Now, while my simmer pot is simmering, I'm gonna be sipping on this coffee. So I'm gonna give this room another refresh, another decorating. I don't know, I just wanna do something new and change it up. I am gonna keep these little bows. They are so cute. Perfect on top of these Hymela lamps. They are so cute and I just love it. Okay, so these wall scones are battery operated. Our power went out like two days and they came in handy. They really did. So that for sure, I wanted to work again with Hymela. And once again, Hymela is collabing with me for this video. And we're gonna do a little bit of unboxing, installing this new lamp. Now, once again, if you haven't heard of Hymela, they are a lamp light company and they have lots of styles from farmhouse, rustic, modern, you name it. They have lots of stuff. So I'll have everything linked on the description box. I'm also gonna be adding their Instagram right here so you guys could see it. It is so pretty. They have lots of new items and they are coming out with this new product, new lamp, and I'm excited for it. So let's start installing this and give this room a cute Christmas vibe once again. Thank you once again, Hymela, for collabing and partnering up with me. I'm excited. I feel like it's a Christmas gift. Let me show you. We are gonna install this together. Get your Bob the Builder mood and let's build this together because we are installing a new lamp. Okay, so this has, and it also has the instructions, but it comes with the light bulb already. You don't have to worry about finding one, buying one. It just comes all included. Wow, so pretty. I can't believe it. This is how you turn on this light. It has 3 settings. Oh my goodness. I love it. It's so cute. It honestly took me, I want to say a good 15 minutes just because I was reading it and I was like looking at the details. All right, Hymela. Thank you once again for collabing with me. I'm excited for this lamp. It's gonna be so cozy at night. Okay, so we are gonna be decorating this space right here. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna grab some of my decor that I still have left. I still have decor left. And then give this room a little makeover of Christmas. Ooh, I need to go check on my simmer pot. I could smell it here in the bedroom. It smells so good. So look, let's go look at it. Give me the Christmas aromas. That's all you smell here. Let me lower this. It smells so good. It reminds me of ponche, which I kid you not, I'm craving one right now. Okay, let's get started with the decorating. This is a lot, to be honest. I don't know, but isn't it cute? Kind of aesthetically cute, just having all these greeneries here. I don't know how I'm gonna decorate, but I really want to keep it traditional, a classic Christmas. We have to start now because after this, we're gonna make some cookies. I'm gonna set everything down and then see what I'm working with, what I'm gonna be using, because I still don't know. I still don't know. Bringing down my bow and I'm going to be adding it to this. I think this would be very cute and perfect for Christmas. Okay, so this is how I decided to decorate. I'm gonna keep my bedroom like this, very cozy, traditional, classic, vintage. I don't know what you want to call it, but it's nice. I love the lamp right there, very cozy. And look who I have here on my pillows, on my blankets. We have little Miss Lady right here, all comfortable. So cute, huh, mama? You like it? It's okay, you could go Mimi's. And once again, I had to put my hair up. It's time for lunch, but I don't know what I'm gonna eat. I don't know what I'm gonna make. But I do know this. We are gonna be baking. We're gonna make some Christmas cookies. You know, those holiday ones. You know, the easy ones. Okay, I'm waiting for the cookies. It says 2 more minutes. How exciting. After my sandwich, I feel like I need a sweet treat. I don't know what movie I should watch after this because I kind of just want to relax and enjoy my day. Let me know. Comment down below, guys. Let me know what's your favorite Christmas movie. I would love to know what you guys get into the mood, how you guys spend your cozy day in. Just let me know. I do want to know what Christmas movie you guys like because I have a variety of them, but I always stick to this one, and it's Charlie Brown Christmas. And then I also love It's a Wonderful Life. I think that's one of my favorite ones. I cry all the time. I love Home Alone. I don't know, there's just so many, even the Grinch ones. It's the final countdown. Yeah. Oven off, off. I hope you guys had a wonderful time with me today, spending the day at home. I don't know what it is, just gets me very excited just to be cozied in. And that's gonna be it with today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what Christmas movies you guys like. And I'm gonna finish watching The Holiday because it's been like 2 to 3 times of me trying to finish this movie, even though I've seen it 1,000 times. But that's gonna be it. With all that said, guys, have a cozy day.